In a secluded forest, where sunlight weaves through a canopy of emerald leaves, the trees perform a majestic waltz, their branches intertwining like dancers in a timeless embrace. The ancient oaks and sprightly birches sway gracefully, their movements orchestrated by the gentle whispers of the wind. Beneath their towering presence, a carpet of wildflowers twirls, petals fluttering like skirts of a ballerina. Ferns unfurl with each gust, mimicking the delicate steps of a prima donna, while vines spiral up trunks like eager suitors in pursuit of elegance. The forest floor, a stage of moss and fallen leaves, cradles the rhythm of this natural ballet, each step a note in a symphony of soft rustles and distant bird songs. As the sun dips low, casting golden hues across the scene, it's as if nature herself dons the persona of a beautiful girl, her every movement a testament to the grace and harmony that lies in the heart of the wilderness.